In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watermark in CapCut PC. If you share your videos online, a watermark is a simple way to discourage unauthorized use while keeping your visuals clean and professional. We'll use CapCut's built-in tools, and by the end, you'll have a subtle, transparent mark that protects your work without getting in the way. Start by opening your project and heading to the top left of the interface. Click the Text tab, then drag the default text onto your timeline. Make sure you place it on a track directly above your main video clip so it appears on top. To keep the watermark visible throughout your entire edit, grab the end of that text clip and stretch it so it lasts the full length of your video. If your video timeline is long, zoom out a bit so it's easier to pull the text all the way to the end. This ensures the watermark stays consistent from the first frame to the last. Next, go to the Text Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Click into the text field and type your username or brand name. Choose a clean, bold font so it remains legible even on smaller screens. You can adjust the size here too, big enough to read, but not so large that it distracts from your content. Now, click and drag the text on the preview canvas and position it in one of the corners. The bottom right corner is a common choice, but pick a spot that doesn't cover important action or essential graphics. Leave a small margin from the edges to avoid cropping on different platforms. To transform this into a true watermark, scroll down in the text properties until you find opacity. Drag the slider down to around 20 to 30%. At this level, the text becomes see-through, so your visuals stay front and center while your branding is still visible. Preview your video to confirm it's subtle yet readable. If it looks too faint, nudge the opacity a bit higher within that range, and if it feels too bold, bring it slightly down. The goal is protection without distraction. That's all you need to create a clean, transparent watermark in CapCut on PC. Add default text, style, and position it, then lower the opacity. Simple, transparent, and secure protection for your content. You're all set, done.